The history of Muslims in India is a tapestry woven from a multitude of threads, each representing the complex interplay of social, cultural, and political factors that have shaped their experiences over the centuries. It is a narrative that begins long before the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate in the 13th century and stretches into the modern era, reflecting the rich diversity and multifaceted nature of Indian society. The arrival of Islam in India can be traced back to the 7th century, primarily through trade routes and the movement of merchants who were drawn to the subcontinent's vibrant markets. These early interactions laid the groundwork for a gradual acceptance of Islamic beliefs among various communities. Over time, particularly during the medieval period, many lower-caste Hindus, facing systemic discrimination and social ostracism, found solace in Islam's egalitarian teachings. The promise of equality and community drew them towards a faith that offered a sense of belonging and dignity, often escaping the rigid hierarchies of the caste system. This pursuit of equality was not merely a spiritual journey. It was a social revolution that reshaped identities and fostered new communal bonds. Sufi traditions played an instrumental role in this process, as Sufi saints traveled across the subcontinent, spreading messages of love, tolerance, and spiritual fulfillment. Their inclusive approach to spirituality attracted individuals from various backgrounds, fostering interfaith dialogues and creating a syncretic culture that celebrated diversity. The Sufi shrines became centers of social cohesion, where people from different faiths gathered to seek blessings, share experiences, and engage in communal harmony. This spiritual magnetism contributed significantly to the growth of Islam in India, as it provided a counter-narrative to the often rigid and dogmatic interpretations of religion. The political landscape of India during the medieval period further influenced the experiences of Muslims. The establishment of the Delhi Sultanate marked the beginning of Muslim rule in India, which brought with it a new administrative framework and economic opportunities. Muslim rulers, such as the early sultans, not only consolidated power, but also facilitated trade and cultural exchanges that enriched the subcontinent. Their patronage of arts, literature, and architecture led to the emergence of remarkable monuments, such as the Qutub Minar and the Red Fort, which stand as testaments to a flourishing civilization. The Mughal Empire, which succeeded the Delhi Sultanate, reached unprecedented heights of cultural and economic prosperity. Emperors like Akbar championed policies of religious tolerance and inclusivity, promoting a syncretic culture that blended Persian, Indian, and Islamic elements. Akbar's establishment of the Din-e-Ilahi, a syncretic faith, exemplified his vision for a united society, although it met with mixed reactions. The Mughals left an indelible mark on India's architectural landscape, with the Taj Mahal serving as a symbol of love and a testament to the artistic brilliance of the era. However, the history of Muslims in India is not without its challenges. The coexistence of different communities often led to tensions and conflicts, fueled by political rivalries and social divisions. The decline of the Mughal Empire in the 18th century saw the rise of regional powers and a resurgence of Hindu identity, which sometimes manifested in communal strife. The colonial period further complicated these dynamics, as British policies exacerbated divisions among religious communities, culminating in the tragic partition of India in 1947. Understanding the history of Muslims in India requires a nuanced perspective that acknowledges both their significant contributions and the challenges they faced. It is a story of resilience and adaptation, marked by moments of cooperation and conflict. The rich cultural heritage that emerged from this complex history continues to influence contemporary Indian society, reminding us of the importance of embracing diversity and fostering dialogue. In recognizing the multifaceted experiences of Muslims in India, we gain a deeper appreciation for the intricate mosaic that is the Indian subcontinent, where each community has played a vital role in shaping its shared history.